welcome back to the channel. Today we are at this insane night meet, just a pop-up car show, but check it out. Oh my goodness, there's probably like 200 cars here. We got Burnout Marks, C6 Corvette, Ford Focus, we've got cars everywhere. We got a supercharged Lamborghini Huracan. We brought the Callaway Corvette that has a brand new upgrade that you guys have never seen before, and I am stoked to show you. This video is going to be insane. Let's jump right into it. I am so surprised that the cops have not showed up yet. I mean, it is getting crazy. Everybody's revving, doing burnouts, two-step. I mean, this is gonna be crazy. Gosh, you can feel that in your chest, baby. Woo! And check this out. We got a supercharged Lamborghini Huracan that is actually signed by everybody. Check it out on this side. See if I can get past this crowd. On this side, almost there. Check it out right there. ATDA, you can't really see it, but we actually have signed a Lamborghini Huracan Underglow supercharged. This thing is absolutely insane. You guys, check out the kit on this GTR. That is sick. Is that oh my gosh, that's a Liberty Walk GTR. No way. That is insane, guys. Oh, and it's bagged. What? That is insane. Definitely not stop right here. Liberty Walk body kit, and it's on bags. That's insane. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Check this out, you guys. We got the carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber side skirts, and look at the rear wing on that, baby. That is sick. Oh my goodness. See, I remember saying in one of my videos, it has a lot of upgrades on the inside, but we gotta get some upgrades on the outside. This is it, baby. Now, one thing that we need you to decide is, do we put underglow on it? Comment down below. Me personally, I don't want underglow, but it's for you guys to decide, not me. I have a very special surprise for you guys. Oaks on TikTok and YouTube. We're gonna roll out with him, and we have a very special surprise. He's got his twin-turboed Lamborghini Huracan, and then we have a twin-turboed R8 right here. I think you see where this is going. Bro, let's hear it, let's hear it! That sounds nice. Thank you. I like it. Are you ready for this? Hey, ready! Freaking sick! Oh my gosh! We got our Oaks Huracan. We're gonna get in the bed, and then we're gonna follow in. This is gonna be insane, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna lose my voice, I swear. Woo! probably like going crazy right now. I mean, my mic is pretty good, but whew, I don't think you can handle that. That is crazy! Lamborghini Gallardo Super. I just realized you guys probably don't want to hear me talk about it. You want to see the exhaust. I got. That is crazy right there. That's not all right. It's got 1,800 horsepower. That thing is insane. You would never guess it would take 1,800 horsepower to tell you straight. Oh my gosh, you guys! Whoa! Gallardo spitting flames! Oh my gosh! That is crazy, you guys! Look at that guy! Oh, the Gallardo spitting flames! This is insane, you guys! I have never done anything like this before! This is crazy! Back to the Gallardo spitting flames! I like that route.
I really like it too.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Those aftermarket lights on top too.
Very professional.
Yeah, absolutely. Man, those aftermarket lights, we gotta get some of those.
We should.
Yeah, no, we're not. Don't worry, it's okay.
Wait, would that be above glow?
Ooh. Under, yeah. I like it. You guys, that was amazing. Other than losing my hat and exposing this, whatever you want to call that, this day was absolutely insane. If somebody told me today that I would be rallying with Oaks with a twin-turboed Lamborghini Huracan, a supercharged Lamborghini Huracan, a twin-turboed R8 with 1,800 horsepower, and a twin-turboed Gallardo that shoots flames, I wouldn't believe them. But it happened today, so be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.